This is how I store and charge my Lipos these days, outside of a shed under a polycarb shelter from the rain on a steel stand, and I'm using the Sky RC, I think it's called the IMAX R6 charger, which I found is very good. It's got a good hefty power supply inside the thing, so it's good for discharging and a range of other things. So I sit up on the wheelbarrow outside where I'm charging. And one of the reasons I know this is a genuine one, it's got that Sky RC label on it. Here's an ad showing that the fake ones will cost you half as much. The only problem is they generally have a much smaller power supply, so they tend to overheat, particularly if they're discharging a battery. So that's why it's worth paying twice as much for the genuine article. It's also quite nice. They've got a few extra features. I take my batteries down to storage charge when I'm not using them, and also look at internal resistance, which is a good measure to have if a battery's not going to deliver power under load. So I've been quite happy with it. So you've got to plug in the balance lead as well as the normal power supply, and so it's monitoring the charging as it goes. So my normal charging is a balanced charge. I always do a balanced charge. The biggest batteries I use are 3-cell, and it takes just over half an hour to do one of these, so it's pretty quick. This is setting it at 2 amp feed-in. It's pretty quick compared with the slow chargers I used to use that came with the models, and a 2-cell it'll do in about 20 minutes. So I just thought I'd do a quick video how I go about it for safety, and yeah, hope it's useful.